Hi, I'm Brian Lavigne, Installations Manager here at GMB Heavy Industries. At GMB, we don't just build heavy-duty steel mill equipment. We make sure it's installed properly and runs exactly the way you need it to. Our team provides full mechanical installation services, from unloading and pre-assembly to full installation and commissioning. We manage every step of the process. We work directly with plant personnel and follow strict safety protocols, all while making sure to keep your project on schedule. Every site and every job is different, and we take a hands-on approach to make sure each installation goes smoothly, no matter how big or how small the job is. The goal is simple: safe, efficient, and successful. At GMB, we don't just sell and deliver equipment, we make sure it performs exactly the way you need it to. Thank you.